As you can tell, that was the worst night of sleep ever. Hello, fans. It's Tales from the Crypt. We got Shiny Bear to come out and play. If y'all got interest in mining, panning, Uwharrie's where it's at. Everybody got the same intentions. If you look down here, you got your YouTuber. Check him out, killing it. I've watched his shows before. I'm gonna go see if we can find this old mine. Like mines, like mines. Got somebody else down here. Alright guys, I think we're coming up on the old mine.
Very slippery.
Uwharrie National Forest. Oh man, look at this. Yep. Watch the mud.
This, my friend, is where the old timers.
Yo. Come on.
Way long.
Yeah, this used to be an old mine right here.
Oh, yeah, it's covered up.
See, what they do is they would find these rocks along the banks and they would follow it into the hill, and then they would dig and mine it all out. All this here is probably stuff that they moved.
Yeah.
Everything you see. That's dope. I'm gonna walk around. That's so cool. They say if you want to prospect gold, you go to where people have found gold. Beautiful. Oh, you can see where they gouged into the mountain over there. Let's see if I can find me some flakes. Where the old timers used to do it. Fucking struggling.
Okay?
Yeah, it's this current's moving so fast,
Oh.
and you got so many boulders. It's hard to find pockets of water that you can pan it. You know, a little trick of mine. Tap your pan, you can concentrate it all in one corner. If there's anything to concentrate. And we got a couple of flakes in there. Really small. Cool nonetheless. Y'all probably can't see it. 1, 2, 3.
Really?
Cool, man. Every drop counts. Some girls are just built different.
Cold water goes What are you doing? Okay, so. No, I'm kidding. What are you doing?
Just taping. It's gonna get dark
Yeah, it is.
in the Uwharrie National Forest. I'm not too happy about it, but we set up. We kind of got two hammocks. Two hammocks. A nice little tent back there. 9mm. So we'll be alright. Alright. So I'm gonna take y'all to check out my crib. Alright, first, look. We got the hammocks. Yeah, yo. BT cribs. Hey. We come up in here, look. We got the 7-story animal protection. You can't get it open. Look, just then we get up in there. You know what I'm saying? We be throwing down mad parties.
Hey.
Hey. Five, 4, 3, 2. That's right, over running slide. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me show y'all what we got to drink out here. In the forest. Listen, we got this. We got this water. We got the water. You know what I mean? Natural spring water. Straight from your Walmart. Not your Dollar General. Straight from the Walmart. You know what I'm saying? Where they do that at? Where they out in the middle of the woods, right? And got the Walmart water. And then let me tell you. Bro, we don't go nowhere without the bumbo.
And the water.
We ain't got no chase, but we got bumbo.
And water.
And the water. You know what I mean? Let me see.
The bullet.
Bro, what you know about that bullet?
And the water.
And the water. You got that bullet?
The water.
That bullet? Get the bullet in the forest?
In the water.
Damn, that's what I'm talking about. So we about to turn up. Keeps it real. Keeps it real.
How about my bench though?
Go bench.
The bench wasn't here.
Oh shit, hold on.
The bench.
Check this out.
I brought it from like 2 miles away.
Check that out right there. Look, you sit the fuck down. Every now and again you just sit down. You get tired?
Sit down.
You have a seat. Sit down. Oh, that's that custom Italian furniture made in the nice United States. Italian furniture made in the United States. What you know about that?
No cracks.
No cracks. Hey. And then, you know what I'm saying? You go to the Uwharrie, you would adopt a natural kid. We found this kid. He was wandering, and we found him. What's your name, kid? It don't even matter what your name is. All right. So that's how we do it out here in the Uwharrie National Forest. National Forest. How you feel about that? How do you feel? How do you feel? If you're planning to come to the National Forest, you bring a dog.
Max.
Hey, Max. If a bear comes, you're dinner first. Just saying, good puppy. All right, all right, all right. Signing off. Goodbye. Help me. I'm stuck in the hammock. And I'm scared. I'm fucking scared. Can I get an oh yeah? Oh yeah. Alright. Now where's Meg?
He's at your foot, like I said.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. That's all I need. As you can tell, that was the worst night of sleep ever. But look at this. Word of advice, if you're coming to Uwharrie National Forest, do not wash your car. Jeez, at this dust. We're off back home.